Right, unfortunately, we've had a bit of bad news with the injectors. So hopefully, someone out there can help. Hello, and welcome back to another Bodgit and Leggit video. Right, as everybody knows, these injectors always seize, and not only that, they actually can break. They can snap in half. Also, the little sleeves can also stay in. So there's multiple problems with these injectors. So it's not just a case of getting one kit to pull them. The kit I was originally looking at, unfortunately, it's this one, and the issue is it's over 5,000 sterling. Then by the time I get it here, convert it to euros, pay all the import duty and the tax, it's like 7,000-8,000 euros to pull 4 injectors. Just isn't worth it. It's a fantastic kit, but obviously if I was doing one a week, you can justify it, but just doing 4, and then the chances are maybe never doing any more again, or doing one in a few months time, it's just obviously that money's not worth it. There's cheaper kits out there like this one. The issue is the RAM is only 10 ton, and it will only take the injector out if it snaps or the sleeve stays inside. It's still no good. It doesn't solve any of the issues. I've also found this kit from Ryan's Automotive, which is in Ireland, but it only does one thing, possibly 2 things. I was speaking to them and they said if the injector snaps, it's only 50-50 whether it pulls it out. It's not, it's not great as regards that. So again, that kit is a hell of a lot cheaper, but it still doesn't do everything. It only does 1 out of 3 jobs, maybe 2 if you're lucky. So what I need is, if anyone has any kits out there that they're selling, or if anyone knows of another company that's selling kits, or even got bits that will help me, like if they've just got separate bits out of kits that I can modify and use. Because what I might have to do is I might have to completely make my own. I've got some good ideas on how to make all the kits actually better, but again, I've been looking, and the RAMs that I can find are only between 10 to 12 ton. The kit that I was looking at has got a 20-ton RAM in it. So if anyone's got a hollow hydraulic 20-ton RAM, or even knows where to get one from, I have looked, and I just for some reason cannot seem to find them. I can find the big ones, but not the low profile ones that I would need for inside the engine. So yeah, it's really, if anyone has any information out there, or any bits they want to sell, or old kits, or companies they know of another company that makes them. I was kind of hoping, because these vans are kind of getting old now, that the companies might have them on the shelves and just kind of want to get rid of them, and stuff like that. But that doesn't seem to be the case, unfortunately. The companies that do have them still want all the money for them, which I just think is crazy, especially when they're not really being sold anymore, and I know no one's making any new ones because these vans are old now. So yeah, look, any information, any things you've got that you might want to sell, or of another company that's got something, anything like that, you just email me. I'll leave my email in the pinned comment. Also, if you want to message me, you can message me direct on Instagram. And yeah, so look, any help, anything would be much appreciated. Thank a lot. But as always, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.